And in the meantime, Indian tech workers already living in America are facing another terrifying reality right now: a 60-day countdown clock. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine spending 10 years building a life in America, buying a house, raising your children, paying taxes, waiting endlessly for green card. And then one morning you lose your job. Suddenly a clock starts ticking. 60 days. Well, that is the brutal reality facing thousands of Indian H-1B workers across the United States today. Under the US immigration rules, laid off H-1B workers, they generally get only 60 days to find another employer, change visa categories, or leave the country entirely. And during mass tech layoff, that deadline, it becomes terrifying. Because let's be honest here, finding a new sponsor, and that too in a weak job market, it is incredibly difficult. Interviews take time, immigration paperwork takes time, companies hesitate to hire during uncertainty, and every passing day, it increases a lot of panic. Now, for years, many laid off workers relied on temporary backup options, right? Switching briefly to a visitor visa while continuing their job search. But immigration lawyers, they now warn that US authorities are reportedly examining such applications far more aggressively. Applications are receiving greater scrutiny, officers are demanding stronger evidence. Some workers fear denial, it could suddenly force them to leave the country. And this transforms layoff into something far bigger than unemployment for the Indians here. It becomes a legal crisis, a financial crisis, and an emotional crisis. Families with children in American schools suddenly face uncertainty. Mortgage payments continue, dependent visas worry about losing the status. In fact, parents in India depend financially on relatives abroad, and workers trapped in green card backlogs, they feel emotionally imprisoned by the entire system. Many Indians in America now describe life as living under permanent anxiety here. One reconstructing, one project cancellation, one budget cut, and years of sacrifice can suddenly collapse overnight. And perhaps the saddest reality is this: despite all the fear, many immigrants continue smiling publicly because the American dream, it remains emotionally powerful inside Indian society. Well, even when the reality behind the dream, it becomes increasingly unstable. Let's hop on to the next story tonight. A viral video showing a large Indian gathering dancing on the streets of downtown Delhi has now triggered intense reaction online. Here, some users celebrated the event as cultural pride and community celebration. But others reacted furiously, accusing Indians of making part of America unlivable. That's a big word. Suddenly, a much deeper issue emerged: America's growing cultural anxiety among the immigrants. The Indian population in the United States, it has grown rapidly over the last decade. Indian restaurants, festivals, languages, traditions, they are becoming more and more visible across major American cities. In fact, entire neighborhoods are transforming culturally. Now, for immigrants, this feels natural, right? They are simply preserving their identity and community in a foreign land. But for many Americans, these changes create discomfort, specifically during period of economic stress and political polarization. This is where things become dangerous, because when inflation rises, jobs become unstable and immigration debates, they intensify. Immigrant communities often become emotional targets. Viral videos are then used online to push broader anti-immigrant narrative. In fact, one public celebration suddenly becomes evidence that immigrants are changing America too quickly. Now, let's be clear here. One viral clip does not define millions of Indians abroad. But online outrage, it really cares about this type of events, right? Well, for many Indians in America, they are now quietly worried about something bigger here. Well, growing anti-India frustration, it eventually changed how Indians are treated socially and politically in the US. Because let's be honest, beneath the surface, cultural tension appears to be rising faster than many people do realize. The global technology industry is mourning the passing away of Indian origin Microsoft veteran Soma Segar. That person passed at the age of 59. And his story, it represents the extraordinary impact Indians have had on the global technology revolution itself. Mr. Somasagar, he joined Microsoft in 1989 and became one of company's most influential leaders during the rise of modern computing. While he contributed to multiple Windows releases, helped develop developer ecosystem and played a major role in expanding Microsoft's engineering footprint, and that too globally. But perhaps his biggest contribution, it was helping shift technology innovation beyond America alone. He supported the growth of tech hubs in Hyderabad, China, Israel, Boston, transforming India into one of the world's largest engineering and software centers. Now at Microsoft, he oversaw platforms like the Visual Studio and NET, technologies used by millions of developers worldwide. Later on, he became a major investor in AI and cloud startups through Medrona Venture Group. Even shortly before he passed away, he was recognized among the top early stage investors shaping the future of artificial intelligence and enterprise technology. And tonight, many Indians seeing his journey as symbolic of something much bigger. Indian talents helped build modern Silicon Valley system. But now there is a painful irony emerging. The same AI revolution leaders like Soma Segar helped advance is actually creating fear among the global workforce, because artificial intelligence is no longer just assisting workers, it is beginning to replace them.